He's big. He's a little on the hefty side. Oh, my... Welcome back to Vlogmas day 17, and yes, we are starting late once again, but that's because we've been doing a whole lot of stuff here at the house. We just got back from Jenny's and we had to unload the truck, we had to wash, we had to clean, we had to do so many things, so much. I haven't even changed my pajamas and I don't care because we're on our way to Target to go buy not Jocelyn, why am I thinking about Jocelyn? To go buy Joseph a case for his new iPad. Yay! And we're hungry and we're gonna go get something to eat because we're so tired of eating tamales. And tomorrow I'm gonna make more. So yeah. Bad news. I forgot to change my shoes and I have my husband's slippers.
Are you eating chocolate? It's clean. I clean my lens.
Why does he say I want to carry you, but then why are you looking at my shoes? Guys, this is probably like the best Chinese food, and I'm whispering because I don't want to be so obvious. So I'm recording the phone. And somebody lost a child. Come and get their child. Grandpa? Oh, wow.
Yeah, in the car.
I love your cars.
Is he 2 years old?
He's 3.
Oh, my grandson.
He's 2?
Does he have wild at him? Huh? Does he have wild at him? Kinda.
He's like,
He's starting to talk.
Oh.
He just mixes words up.
Look what he got. He got a car.
You got a car?
Guys, we are home and it looks like Christmas. Got here early for me. Before I forget, we went to go get some Chinese food at our local RNN, and I came across these little breads or these little cakes, and they are I know. So the bread, it's not a donut, papi. It's a pan. So this is it's like, okay, I give it. Can you bite it? Bite it.
No,
Bite it.
Mama.
Can I show it to the camera?
I know.
So this is what it looks like, and it's like it has.
It's mine, Mama.
It has lots.
Mama. Oh.
Good.
T-Rex.
Good job. Can you give it to Mama? T-Rex. So, and it has lots of layers, and T-Rex is gonna feed Mama. T-Rex is gonna feed Mama. I wanna try it.
Mommy. Does it taste good? Mommy.
Honestly, I don't know the purpose of the layers. Am I eating this wrong? I don't know what the purpose of them are. Maybe they're not layers. Maybe it's not a layer. Maybe it's a pan, and then it just has like lines on the outside. I don't think it's layers. No, there is layers. I don't know. It's good. It's not too sweet. I also got this one. This one, it is nice and fluffy. And I know sometimes you guys ask me, oh my gosh, do you really eat all that food? No, I don't. I literally just bite it, taste it, give you guys their honest review of the food, and then I give it to, there's other people that live here, so my husband, Joseph, Josiah, my dad, they'll eat it. This is super soft. It's like very, very soft, like air almost. Look. This is really good. Like, you think you're gonna bite I don't know, it's just a weird, but it's good. Love it. All right, guys, so today FedEx came with a little early Christmas gift for me. Don't worry about all my pots in the back. They are all clean. I just don't have nowhere to put them. Well, I do. I just don't want to. Oh, but I'm so excited to show you guys this. This is like my favorite thing of all times. Are you ready? Drum roll! We got new containers. We got new containers for our food. Thank you, Papi. And we're doing it, guys. We have different types of containers. I have soup ones, soup containers, the freaking cutest. Like, come on. Sauce containers that look like this. Like this. I don't know about you guys, but this is the type of thing that, like, look, we got the smaller ones. We got the bigger ones. You know, we like everything big here. We also got these. No. I have so many. I have 8 freaking boxes of different types of containers. I actually want to see exactly what's in here. So I know, like, there's more big ones. These are like for sides. Oh, salad bowls. Oh, cuties. It's renewable, compostable, and sustainable. They're made, some of them, like the plastic ones, those are made with 50% less plastic. They're also biodegradable. There's just, it's good for the earth. We also got the metal tin kinds. Like, these are metal. For example, like if we're gonna make nachos, if we're gonna make something with metal tins, we got that here, guys. You can reuse these. No joke. And I know, because that's gross. Like, who wants to reuse containers from, you know, maybe if they're mine, like if for some reason, like I'm gonna meal prep something, or Josiah is, and he's gonna use this, and then he's done with his meal prep, he better wash that shit and then put it away so he can use it for his other week. That's the only way. Hell. But not for like other people, you know, that don't live in the household, if you know what I mean. Anyways, that is gonna be it for the containers that I'm gonna show you. But of course, you know, tomorrow or Monday, I don't know, because I don't know, like it's just too much going on to show you, or you know, to get stuff done. But I'll show you my racks and how am I gonna organize all this stuff. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it. We didn't do really much today besides edit and do a couple of things at the grocery store, clean up my house, mainly because I was gone and I had to deep clean the house. So we did a whole lot of that. Some of you guys were asking me about Bento Franklin. I will show you. So we don't have Bento no more because my dad lost him. But this is Franklin. He's big. He's a little on the hefty side. My Franklin, I was just gonna pet you. I think he screamed at me. Yes, he does have permitting. We have established that. That's how I got him. We did get a partner for him when we lost Bento, and this is the partner. It still doesn't have a name, but I think the name is Bento too. Like Bento too. Anyways. Hi, Franklin. You don't want to say hi to everybody? They know you since you were smaller than Bento too. They know you. You're gonna be nice to them, okay? I think I'm gonna soak them for a bit, give them some fresh greens, and yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get a notification anytime that I post a video. Follow me on everything: TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, everywhere. Oh, frankly, why am I treating you like you're like not important or something? I'm sorry. Follow me on everything, and that's it, guys. Bye.